in my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with the fame. That's how.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Did we do it? 700 subscribers. I literally intentionally waited because I knew when I woke up in the morning it was going to be 700. We don't have a goal right now, guys. Oh my gosh. But my goal is by the end of August or September to hit 1,000 subscribers and hopefully be fully monetized on YouTube so we can get this ball rolling, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. Thank you for 700 subs. Let's get into this unboxing. I have less than 1,000 subscribers and somehow I'm already getting PR like L'Oreal, Sephora, and YSL. So I'm gonna be unboxing all these products today that I received in the last couple weeks, and we're gonna dissect it a little bit and I'm gonna tell you exactly how I did it. So there are a few products here that I did apply for. Like they send you an email and then you just put in like your address and stuff and the brand looks through it and they're like, okay, yes or no. So the first one of my favorites, this is the YSL Cushion Foundation. If you guys know, this is an expensive makeup item. Look at how cute this box is. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Yeah, so this one I went on Obviously. It's called Studio Obviously, and you don't have to have a minimum or maximum. There's not like a follower threshold that you need. You literally just put in your example videos and you put your Instagram link in there, and that's literally it. That's all I did. Now for this one, I think I did the same thing. This is a Sephora collection and it came with 3 of these lip tint felt liners, and then it also came with these, I don't know if this is a cheek stain or yeah, cheek and lip tints. These are literally the cutest thing ever. And hear me out, guys. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm actually gonna do a giveaway. I was gonna do it on Instagram, but it's a little harder to get your like follower goal. So once I hit 1,000 subs on YouTube, we're gonna do a giveaway. And if you don't believe me, let me show you. I've been building these boxes with all the PR that I get. So it's been a little minute. It's been a little minute. But this is from a L'Oreal box that I got. And this is also from Obviously, I believe. Look at all these products in here. You see that? So that's how you know I'm serious about this. We have Tarte in here. I got that also from like a thing on TikTok. We have some LYS, one of my favorite makeup companies literally ever. Mamuki, this is like a skincare brand. And what else do we have in here? We have some L'Oreal lipsticks. Girl, we have lashes, we have mascara. We have a e.l.f. concealer. Oh no. So I build onto these boxes every time I get PR. And this is another one. This has like the LYS Duo in it, one of my favorite companies again. This is a super affordable brand. They're not like, you know, super pricey, but yeah. So that's how y'all know I'm for real, okay? I'm building 2 PR boxes to give away once I hit 1,000 subs and we're fully monetized, okay? So let's get to it, y'all, because I know y'all want some products too. So okay, we did the Sephora one. This is the cutest little PR package. It says show us your faves with the Sephora collection at Sephora, cheek and lip tint and the liners. It's like a cute little notepad that you can actually use. So I love that when brands send stuff that you can actually use. That's useful, you know? Okay. This is from Maybelline Cosmetics, and I actually got this a couple days ago in the mail before we left for my parents' house. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's been the mascara? No, wait. Okay, so one thing I do love about makeup, I love mascaras. You'll get to know me. One of my favorite things is mascaras, and I love when companies send me mascara because it's one of my favorite things ever, and I love to share it with my girlies. Stop, wait, are there 2? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, this one is the, oh wait, they're the same thing. Perfect. This will go great in the PR packages, guys. Oh my gosh, for the giveaway, I will definitely put one of these in there. Stop, look at that. This is the tubing mascara, the lash extensions, XL volumizing tubing mascara. Stop. Thank you so much, Milani. This is so cute, and it's in like a cute little purple package. Are you lying to me right now? This is just proof, guys. Post your content. You do not need hundreds of thousands of millions of followers for brands to want to work with you. They want to see your genuine reaction to their products and your actual opinions. Like, brands love that. If you want like a deeper in-depth, if you want a in-depth video on what brands really look for, we can definitely do that too. Because I feel like a lot of people are scared to post their content because they're like, oh my gosh, this brand doesn't want to work with me if I don't have 10,000 followers. It's not true. Not true. I've had plenty of brands DM me, and on Instagram I only have 2,000 followers. Like, that's nothing compared to freaking who's a, I don't know, crazy makeup artist with like millions of followers. Now I do have Dream PR. I would love to receive some PR from Rare Beauty because I love their blushes. I've heard really good things about the eyebrow gel. There's just so many. e.l.f. I would love a PR package from e.l.f. Are you kidding? Are you crazy? I'd probably cry. I'd probably cry because when I got the Sephora one, I was like, there's no way. Me? Little old me? Yeah, girl. Little old you. And like I said, some of these are from actual apps or like websites that you go on and then you kind of apply. The ones that I showed you, that one was from Skeepers. That one was from Skeepers. And I'll do like a video where I actually show you guys how to apply because some of these apps are a little bit tricky. So this one's from Garnier. Oh, hello. This is the lashes. Wait, okay. It's a waterproof cleansing water. Stop, look how cute this is. Are you kidding? Lash Guard approved. Save the lashes. That is true because sometimes when I try like makeup remover and whatever else, it's like super harsh. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, guys, I love you. Look at that. That is so cool. It comes with eco pads too? Oh wait, no, it's a little keychain. Thank you so much. Are you crazy? Comes with these. Okay, wait, no, I have seen these. You pour some of this on the little pad and you can reuse it. It's so smart. That's literally what I needed actually because I've been looking for like a good makeup remover that won't rip my eyelashes out. So love that. Now this one is from L'Oreal Star. L'Oreal Star. And you go in here and I think you have to have less than, this one is actually really good for small creators. You have to have under 10,000, I think, or maybe 7,000, I don't know, something like that. And you go on there, but you literally have to be so quick. You get an email and you have to click it right away or else you won't get it. They've had some really good ones on there, but I missed them because I wasn't checking my email like I should have. Oh, my back, y'all. I hurt my back, y'all, and I'm literally like sitting in the most uncomfortable position right now, but it's for you guys. It's for you guys. But after this, I'm gonna have to take a break for the day, okay? And I'll be able to edit this video. Let's see what else we have in here. Like I said, this one is from L'Oreal Star. You go on there and you, again, apply it. Turnaround time was like 48 hours, I think, and that was it. And then I was approved for the program. So I would recommend that one. This one is Maybelline. Maybelline. Yeah, you heard that right. Yeah. Again, a mascara. Okay. It says take it off. Maybelline, New York. And a lot of companies are coming out with the tubing mascaras because they realize that, stop, this is like a dream. Are you kidding me? Tubes slide off in one swipe. We can also do like a try on type video because I would love to do that too and see what products are actually going to go into the daily rotation type thing. And this is the last one. Oh no, it's not, I lied. This is one of two for the last one. No, oh my gosh, okay, wait, no, actually no, where's the other box? Okay, one of three for the last little part of the unboxing. Okay, so this is the Inky List. I'm pretty sure they're in Sephora. And when I got this email, I was like, you're lying. There's no way. How did you find me? Yeah. The Inky List found me. Hey, Inky List. Hey. It says we give a care. About skin. That's right. The body. Your skin is the lungs of something. I don't know. Somebody said that. It says this is your Inky care package. Some care about the hype, the trends, the noise. We care about ingredients that work and science you can understand. We care about you, your routine, your skin progress. Love the Inky team. I know that's right. I know that's right. Okay, so these ones are some reusable double-sided cleansing packs. Thank you so much, because you don't know how much I just dread getting the little circle rounds from like the Dollar Tree or Walmart. And I run out and it's so quick, so it's just not for me. So those are actually gonna get put to use. Okay. These are some makeup remover wipes. Ooh, throwing that in the purse. Yeah, definitely throwing that in the purse. Also, peep the nails. Yeah, peep them. Okay, so we have an oat balm cleanser. And this is a Exosome Hydro Glow Complex. Look at that. Are you kidding? Hey, Inky List. Guys, and this is all with less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and less than 2,000 on Instagram. Yeah. Now these ones I've seen good stuff, but I have used this one already. This is the Dialba. Y'all have seen it. Y'all have seen it. I have used this one already, and it kind of reminds me of like the sticky primer from e.l.f., but it's not a primer. It's just like an all-in-one balm, so kind of like moisturizer type deal. And then this is a tone-up pink correcting broad spectrum SPF 50. It's a sunscreen. I actually just got this in the mail, so we're definitely gonna have to try this and tell them what we think, because they want to know. They want to know. You think they don't want to know? They want to know. Okay. All right. Now this is one of my favorites that I actually already, you could see I've used them. This is one of the packages from L'Oreal, and this is from Obviously as well. Like I said, you go on there, just put your information in, and they like send you a package if they like you or don't. Okay, so this is the Glazed Honey. This is my favorite one. And these are hair perfumes or like hair fragrances. They're super light. Like you spray them in your hair and it smells like a shampoo or conditioner. Like it's not like an actual perfume, if that makes sense. But I would buy this if I saw it out in a store, just because it's super lightweight, super smelly, and they actually do last. So if you take a shower, wash your hair, and you're like boom boom, you're gonna be a good girl. And especially in this heat, I haven't been able to find one that I actually like, for real. So that is the, let me see if I got everything first. Okay, yes, we did. We got it. Love it. This video is actually going to go up today. What day is it? The 4th, August 4th. And y'all, we're at 700 subscribers. And what, 2-3 weeks ago, I was at 400 and something. And I was like, how am I going to get there? Like, I don't know. And then I found my community. Hey, yeah. We're doing this together, y'all. And I'm going to walk you through it every step of the way. I'm not going to gatekeep. And you can do the same thing. I'm just a little old me. Just a little old me. Yeah. Okay, actually, I don't know if I did this one, but we're gonna do it again just in case. These are the cheek and lip mousse from Maybelline. I got 3 of these, also from L'Oreal Star. And these actually came with this little lipstick, which I actually am a fan of this color, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna put it in one of the PR giveaway boxes because I have too many already and I can't use it, but I don't know, maybe I'll keep it. I don't know, we'll decide. Yeah, but look at this, y'all. Are you kidding? All these mascaras, and that's not even, I have 4 new mascaras. These ones are the same, obviously. And then we got YSL, dude. And that's not even including the L'Oreal package that's actually coming in the mail that they messaged me about. Guys, I'm so glad it's not even funny. I can't do this right now. No, cancel it. Can't do it. So that was my little PR unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, because this is like a moment for us to connect and feel like we're on FaceTime, girl, because I want to show you the haul. Every time I get something, I'm going to run to you. And like I said, this isn't even hair care, skincare, and perfumes. I could literally do 3 more extra videos. I probably would do 3 more extra videos. Maybe on a different day because my back is screaming, but those PR drops or campaigns that I applied for and actually received them, I looked at the box when it got in the house and I was like, how is this my life right now? Like, this is something that I have dreamed about. Like, guys, I'm gonna give you a little snippet. I received a Valentino perfume, not only for me, but a cologne for my husband, the Duo, full size. I said, oh, me? And then I got a Juliet has a, yeah. So if that's not your sign to keep posting, I don't know what is, because you never know who's watching your content. And if there are any companies out there that want their products shown, I'm your girl. I'm your girl. I love y'all so much. Thanks again for 700 subscribers. Are you kidding me? I'm still in shock. 700. I don't even know that many people. That's wild. We're almost there, y'all. We're gonna do it. We're in this together. Give me your hand. We're in this together. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!
I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good. I'm in my prime. These niggas gotta get played. If these bitches ain't